Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how you can assign tasks to multiple projects in Todoist. Now, Todoist is a fantastic tool for managing your tasks and projects, and by assigning tasks to multiple projects, you're taking your productivity to the next level. So let's jump right in. The first step is to open your Todoist app. Now that you're in the app, navigate to the specific task you want to assign to multiple projects. The reason we do this is to ensure that we're putting the task in the right place where it's needed. Next up, click on that task to open it. When you do this, you'll see various options. Look for the Projects option. This is where you need to click Next. This helps us because it opens up the possibility to assign this task to the relevant projects. Now, once you've clicked on Projects, you'll see a list of all your projects. You can simply click on the ones you want to assign this task to. This is where the magic happens, as you're now able to spread one task across various projects. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is taking that one task and replicating it across all the projects you've chosen. This means that any changes you make to the task in one project will reflect in all the others. All right, now that you've selected your projects, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save or Done button and click on it. This step is crucial because it finalizes the process, making sure your task is now part of all the selected projects. Let me explain why this matters. By assigning a task to multiple projects, you're ensuring that everyone involved in those projects can see and work on the task. This prevents any confusion and streamlines your workflow. And there you have it. You've just assigned a task to multiple projects in Todoist. Remember, this is a great way to enhance your productivity and ensure all your projects are in sync. Thank you for tuning in and stay organized.